my Deputy President, my Bishop, all leaders, clergy, guests, and priesthood family. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord again. My name is Lindsay Wangare Gitahi, and I'm humbled to stand in front of you. I would like to kindly request all of you to give me this chance, at least give a piece of advice to my Deputy President. Have you given me the chance? Have you given me the chance? My Deputy President, first of all, I'd like to start by thanking you and thanking God for enabling you to arrive here today. Thank you so much for choosing priesthood to be your church today. You are most welcome. My Deputy President, I know and believe things have not been easy for you. Being a daddy, a Deputy President of Kenya, and an uncle too. We call you Uncle Willie. But I've got something for you. And if you follow it, I promise you your dreams will be fulfilled and you'll definitely get to your destination. There are moments that you can't do it. There are situations, there are circumstances you let God to work out. We say, above me now. In the book of Joshua 6, after the death of Moses, Joshua took over. God had to fulfill his promise to Abraham that his descendants will occupy the land of Canaan. But it was already occupied. We say, above me now. The first city to take over was Jericho. Wow, it was 41 feet high. The walls were strong, and the Israelites had been slaves all their lives. No weapons, neither did they know how to fight. As President Uhuru says, "Where, Tiraivi?" We say, above me now. God told Joshua they go round 7 times for 7 days. So 7th day, 7 times, it was all 13 times. They were not supposed to talk or complain, for God promised to walk along with them. Their enemies laughed at them, called them names, and were ready with weapons. My Deputy President, maybe you're in your second round, or even third, or even first, you don't know. But things are tough. My advice for you is this: just tell God to hold your hand and walk with you. Don't listen to the enemies, but pray for enough energy for the remaining rounds. President Uhuru can tell you it's not been easy. My daddy, Bishop JJ, can also tell you the same. But with God walking along with you, you'll definitely bring Jericho walls down and become a winner. Mr. DP, kindly promise me that you'll walk along with God. Promise me that you'll follow Lindsay's advice and become a winner. Now, Mr. DP, let's have a handshake.
Wapi makofi ya Lindsay! This is becoming sweet. It is becoming good. Your Excellency, that is a daughter to our bishop. Hata sikujua kwamba kisima kimehama. Kisima kime. Appreciate Lindsay kwa makofi mazuri. Asante sana.